If you worked with dynamic arrays, you would realize how powerful they are. In addition to the ease of writing formulas, the other big advantage is that it prevents mistakes. Now, if you've tried using dynamic arrays with sum, average, max, or min formulas, the chances are that it did not work. Let's take a look at a simple example to see what is happening and how can we resolve it. Here we have sales data for the first half and the second half of the year. In business language, they are commonly referred to as H1 and H2 sales. We need to find the total sales, and a simple sum formula should suffice. Let's write the formula in the traditional way. We will say sum B2 to C2. And we can copy the formula easily. Now let's clear the formula and try it with dynamic arrays. We will select all the H1 sales and then all the H2 sales. Instead of giving the total sales for each country, we get just one value. What is this value? This is the total sales of all sales value. Now, why did sum not work like other dynamic array formulas? Let's move to the next worksheet to understand this. If I select all the values in sum function, then we get the total as 408. This is expected. But let's write the formula in a different way. In the sum formula, I'll add the first three numbers as a range, comma, then the other range from B3 to B5, and finally the last number. We again get the same result. Now if you see, when you provide different ranges to the sum formula, it adds them up. And that is why if you use the sum formula here, instead of adding the values row-wise, it adds all of them up. This is the nature of the sum formula, to add all values up. Now if you still want to use dynamic arrays as it prevents accidental modification of formulas, then you can use an alternate approach. You can write the formula using the plus operator instead of the sum function. You can write it as all H1 sales plus all H2 sales. And you get the total sales. I hope this brought you clarity on why dynamic array does not work with sum and a few other functions. If you'd like to learn more about dynamic arrays, please see the other videos I have mentioned in the description below. Thanks for watching.